You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son?
Cat, listen carefully. I said no.
With a cat by your side, no morning is ever boring.
She's completely unbothered by you. Thank you! Can you say it? Thank you!
Oh, my Jesus.
Holden. And look who's waiting for
Stay
me.
tuned to see what word we'll hear
Hey
next.
there, big guy. Man, he's big. Yep. Say hi.
Kitten wants to make friends, but Big Cat seems unprepared to open up. A growl to remind it to behave. For me, speaking Chinese is very difficult, but it seems like it's not for this cat.
Mervis, you. Come here a sec. You feeling bad about TikTok?
Sometimes cat's gotta remind you about the right status in its house.
Come here, come say hi. Hug, please. Thank you. Oh, honey. You hungry?
Looks like this four-legged third wheel has officially taken the top spot in his heart.
That's right. Excuse me, madam. That is not for you. No, man.
Today it says no. Tomorrow it might be filing a complaint.
Looks like this little guy has been putting up with it for quite a while.
Come here. Come here. Hi. Are we hungry? Come on. Are you starving?
This is no longer just a cat. This is an official roommate.
여보. 주동생아. 싫어. Really? Is that your best friend, Delilah? Yeah. Oh, is that your girlfriend?
Bells will ring, ting-a-ling.
Yeah? What do you think? Let's get rid of your tinkles. Yeah.
Kona, why are you turning away from me? You don't know?
What did you hear? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.
Which mama forgot her newborn here? Come pick your baby up, ASAP!
POV. You fell asleep while she was telling you a super important story.
Excuse me. How did you even get up there? Well, how do you expect me to get you down? I'm too short.
Who gave this kid permission to climb all over me? Big Cat's patience is really being tested. Perhaps this cat is feeling very lonely.
Sheldon! Sheldy!
Hey, Willie. Do you know how much I love you? Do you know how much I love you?
Good morning, Barty. What are you cleaning your fur, baby? Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
Maybe the cat is thinking, did I just hear French? How does she know my secret? This cat definitely knows how to stop him in his tracks. One cuddle, and he can't walk away.
Kalau zaman dulu ditangkap terus diapain, Ti? Dimakan. Ya, ditangkap tar titinya ya. Dikira siluman titi ya. Siluman makan.
I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No.
POV. You fell asleep when she had a very interesting story to tell you.
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that?
Do you love me? How much? Yeah, I thought so. I love you as well. Okay. Do you want a hug? Yeah, are you sure?
Not a dumb question. I appreciate people asking instead of just making assumptions. So he has cerebellar hypoplasia. It's a condition he was born with. It's an underdeveloped cerebellum. So it just causes him to be wobbly. He's not in any pain.
Here's the proof that cats really do understand human language.
它有主人。
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
你怎么知道它 name is Kitty 啊？
Wow.
What? No. Come cuddle. Come here. Come here right now. Right now. Ripley.
All the pretty girls walk like this. This. Pretty girls walk like this. This. All the pretty girls walk like big
Put a finger down if you only sing when no one's home like him.